Hey, how you guys doing out there? It's me, Vince Geddes, the health insurance guy, where I help individuals, business owners, as well as families build the best benefit plan that you can find anywhere else because it is built for you, built by you, and tailored around you and your needs. I'm going to talk to my barbers. I'm going to talk to my beauticians. I'm going to talk to my salon owners. Guess what? A lot of you guys don't have health insurance because you guys think you don't need it. But guess what? We are living in 2020 COVID era, and you guys deal with people all day long. You have customers coming in all day long. You have new people coming in all day long. And I don't know why you don't have insurance, but you need to have health insurance. Now, if you are looking for health insurance and you are in this industry, you can give me a call at 404-689-2322. That's 404-689-2322. The best thing about doing business with me is this: I am able to do the searching for you. I'm a broker. I'm not an agent. I'm a broker. Big difference. I'm going to tell you what the big difference is. The big difference is I get to shop around for you. I get to see what's in the market. I'm not just a regular guy that's saying, hey, this is all I got is a slingshot. No, I got a slingshot. I got a guy. I got a 12 gauge. I got a stick. I got everything that's on the market. But my whole objective is to get you the best policy and the best plan based around your budget and your needs. So if you are in these industries and you are interacting with people, don't just get health insurance because I tell you to get it. Look at the people that walk into your place. And I know you look at the people that walk into your place. People walking in with masks on. We are in a whole nother ball game. Don't play around with your health. Don't play around with the health of the people that walk into your place. Get yourself checked out. Make sure you have health insurance so if the worst happened, you can go to the best doctors. You can go to the best physicians. You don't want to just go to some Joe Schmo down the street. This ain't the time to be playing around with your health. So again, you can reach out to me at area code 404-689-2322, or you can book an appointment with me at www.getnextdayhealth.com. That's www.getnextdayhealth.com. Again, my name is Vince Geddes, the health insurance guy. I'm here to help you find the best plan and get it within the budget that fits around your needs. Thank you again for coming to my page. You guys have a good one out there. Stay safe, keep your hands clean, and keep your mask on because it is looking ugly out there. So I thank you guys again for coming to my page. Peace.